Hey, y'all, it's your girl Star and I'm back. If ain't nobody tell you today that they love you, I love you. Because you could be anywhere in the world, but you right here with me right now. And I had to come back on here, y'all, because I had to discuss with y'all about these NFTs. Like, I've been getting people hitting me up, asking me about these NFTs. Now, an NFT is a non-fungible token. Okay, it is a form of cryptocurrency. Okay, it exists within this crypto space. Okay, now if you don't know what cryptocurrencies is and you don't know anything about NFTs, then you came across the right video. Okay, because today I'm going to be talking to you about NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Okay, and how you can profit in this space. Okay, with not having no money, okay, with not knowing anything, you can profit and take advantage. So you can actually, if you have an iPhone, I can't speak from an Android because I have an iPhone, I have an iPad, but you could literally go in your app store, look up NFT Creator. Okay, there's an app you can download that might charge you $3.99 a week or $50 for the whole year, okay, to be able to create NFTs. You could also do Adobe, okay. Adobe has some great ways to be able to make NFTs, okay. If you're an artist and you like to draw, those are ways that you can make NFTs, okay. Now, you do need to have a MetaMask, okay, to be able to connect your MetaMask to Opensea. Okay, Opensea is the listing site. That's where you're going to be listing your NFTs, on Opensea. So Opensea is where you'll be listing your art at. Okay, now it's not a platform that you have to go advertise yourself, but it does help, you understand, the sales of your NFTs to go be able to advertise it, maybe even create a YouTube channel for your NFTs. If you're creating a collection of NFTs, make a YouTube channel, okay? Hit up some influencers to promote your YouTube channel, your IG channel, okay? But you want MetaMask is where you'll hold your Ethereum, because the NFTs is built on a Ethereum network, okay? That's where you buy and sell. That's the market that allows you to buy and sell NFTs and digital art and digital music, okay? That's how you're able to do it through the Ethereum network, okay? So you can buy Ethereum on MetaMask, and the way you can get around those gas fees when you're listing on OpenSea.io, the way you can get around those gas fees is to convert your listing over to Polygon, okay, or Manic. Okay, I might be saying it wrong, but it's Manic. Okay, you want to convert your token over to receive Manic instead of Ethereum. It's just a different kind of Ethereum token that allows you to get around paying the gas fees when you're listing your NFTs. Okay, so you determine the price and the value based off the different pieces of like shapes. Like you can see this, like this is different shapes and stuff like that. If you include different shapes and things within your NFT, whether it's digital, whether it moves, okay, you can determine the value of what you want to sell it for. Okay, but I do recommend creating an Instagram page, okay, and hitting up some influencers to promote your NFTs, okay. Yes, OpenSea has its own promotion and it's widely spread, and yes, people come there to purchase NFTs, okay. Now, so it's already a market and it's already there. It's like a store that's already open that you're just putting your objects in. It's like putting your stuff in Walmart. But that doesn't mean people are going to come to Walmart just center at your things. So you want to do advertising for your NFTs, okay? Hit up people that's already promoting NFTs, okay? There is a market for it on IG. So I would recommend promoting and having an Instagram page for your NFTs, okay? You can do NFTs music, okay? You can do NFTs as digital art. You can do moving art. It's different forms of Now, if you want more information, okay, if you want to get more information and contact me directly, I'm going to include my IG link in this video. Like probably right above me, I'm going to include the IG link, like somewhere over here, somewhere. And I'm also going to include my Discord channel, not my Discord, my Telegram channel, okay? It's going to also be included within this video, okay? So you can hit me up. My Facebook is going to be in here. You can hit me up directly and contact me if you have any questions about NFTs, any questions about crypto, how to connect your wallet. If you have any questions about this video, you can hit me up directly, and I'll be glad to answer any questions you have, okay? So I see you on the other side, y'all. Good luck with your NFTs. Have a good day.